Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today class 10 Cbse All Kerala Common Model Exam question paper with answer key we're going to discuss children. You can see the question number 1, they're talking about the polynomials, zeros and reciprocals of the other. Second, pair of linear equation, unique solution they're asking, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Third, a pipa. So common difference, very important board question only, a18 minus a13. Fourth, circles ma, angle POA. Fifth, they are talking about trigonometry, very basic, just apply the trigonometric tabular column values and you can get it. And sixth question, again book model only, 3 cubes. Side itself they said join end to end. Even instead of side, they can give even the what? They can give you the values also. That means they can give cube, then we can have to find the answer also they can be. So the sixth one is easier. Seventh, whether they ask minus 4 is a 0, minus 4 is a 0 means what is will be the k value. Again, they're talking about chapter 2 polynomials. Then 8 circles, they're asking length of 80. And ninth question, very important, leap year contains 53 Sundays, important. Even 52 Sundays they can ask leap year and they can ask non-leap year. And they have one question in book, Samita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that they will have a same birthday, different birthday? The type of questions are repeated. The 10th one again repeated only, ma'am, but they're talking about the A is to B. So be careful. After finding the value of A and B, you have to do in the ratio. Then the discriminant of the quadratic equation, 11th question, you know, D equal to B square minus 4AC. Apply the value and get the answer. And 12th, they ask just a model class alone enough. So the 13th, so when you're seeing it, which is a bigger value, you can find and you can easily talk about that. So they asked only marks below, correct? You want to make into the class interval. 12th question, make the question in the class interval, then only you can talk about the model class. So you have work. 12th question important, you can expect this type of model even in the exam. 13th, they talked about trigonometric identity. Find the value of m. 14th, chapter 1, real numbers. Nice question. 2 square 3 power x. Some MCQs are all very nice and expected type of questions in board exam. They have asked this time in Kerala common exam. So you can practice these type of questions. So 15th, so very again nice question only. BPT AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Substitute and get the value of x. 16th, mode of a series. Usually they won't ask this type of question. Mode of a series exceeds mean by 12. Then the mode exceeds the median by how much? Nice. Then the area of the sector whose perimeter is 4 times its radius. Again nice set of questions. 17th. 18th, 4 times the sum of the areas of the two circular face of the cylinder. Okay, overall nice only. Then assertion reasoning. They talked about two things. One is probability and coordinate geometry. Go through, you get the answer or not. Section B part 21st, as usual, only they talked about what? Word problem for from the chapter 1, real numbers. 22nd, trigonometry. 23rd, triangles. 24th, also again triangles. 25th, they're talking about cards. Again, nice question only. The king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed. Removed cards question. Next, they're talking about dice. See, children, but for 26 standard worth for 3 mark, I won't agree because 2 minus root 3 by 5 is irrational. Given that root 3 is irrational. So, work was very simple. So, they itself given root 3 irrational, but 2 minus root 3 by 5 is there. So, some people may have a doubt on it. Then 27th, alpha power minus 2 and beta power minus 2, that is 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square. Then again 28th question, the minute hand. So, we can expect this type of. 29th, divide 29 into equal parts. Sum of the squares of the part quadratic equation. 30th, trig. Prove the trig. And the 31, nice question. And 32, repeated board question. You can go through, but not in book, the either type. Graphically, I am also expecting, if I am setting the question paper also, I will try to give one graph sum in 5 mark. Then another I may give anything. Here, one graph or one word problem they have given. Then 33, circles theorem 10.1. Circle is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact and they are asking to equate. 34, angle of elevation. Children, kindly go through a nice question. Today also for one students I have informed regarding this 30 seconds question. Speed of the jet plane. 35, median 525 ma, total frequency 100. Repeated question pa, example sum in our NCRT. Then as a next one, step deviation method they have mentioned to do it. And this sum you may remember like a engineering student. Rachel in engineering student book we have some second exercise, second question if I am correct. That type of question only. Then the next year they are talking about sequence and series pa. How many seats, how many rooms, the rows regarding this, go through. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Next, coordinate geometry, again expected question only. This type ratio they have given AB is to BC is 3 is to 2. Distance between Nidhi's house and park, that was easier. Then coordinates of Shika's house. Then midpoint between them. Distance between Nidhi and Shika's house. So you want to find the Shika's house by ratio, am I correct? Section formula, and you have to go for it. So now we are talking about the sets, the answers. So MCQs, you're not having the steps. So I already said you how to do just generally. I'm showing you the solutions. Go through. You got the same answer or not? Any discrepancies, any changes you feel now, kindly inform in the comment box. Till 20, check. Then 21 lama HCF 14 getting a check pa. Then second one, maximum capacity is supposed to get it as 98 kg. Then 22nd answer will be 7. You're getting it a check. 23, you can use vertically opposite angles and 90 degree AA similarity and by corresponding sides are proportional. CPST they used to say, but don't write bracketless CPST because corresponding parts of similar triangles are equal. No, we have to write are just like sides are proportional and you can prove. 24th BPT, we already said PT was 10.5 centimeter. 25 A 3 by 49 ma, Edra type, the second is 1 by 6 children, 6 by 36, 1 by 6. Even 6 by 36 they will apply. Then C much easy ma, 2 minus root 3 by 5 is irrational. 2 divided by 5 goes it's a multiplication and get the answer. 27th pa, x square minus 10x plus 9 answer ma. 28th pa, 235.5 centimeter square is major sector minus segment 28.5. Book sum model ma, book sum literally this is the book sum 28. And a minute they are given, so 60 minute 33 60 degree, 1 minute 6 degree, 40 minutes they ask 240 degree. Usually this 240 degree concept they don't ask, but it's easy now. So substitute and get the answer 678.86. 29, the dividing part marks are repeated, x and 29 minus x. Sum of the squares is 425, equate. Then find the two parts. Even quadratic formula, splitting middle term, whichever you can use and get the answer 13 and 6. And prove that some important part they have proved properly and they got the answer. Check. The same way you will do tan na sin by cos, cot na cos by sin, LCM. Then they're getting the answer. That's it. 31. Medians related SA similarity they have used and they proved. Next, again, this important question only. A similarity and taken common and they proved either type. Either type I will rate highly. And this one graph sum from one booklet they are just copy paste. This very important question also. You can expect children like this graph question you can even expect in your exam because now some underrated question like graph question ones people are not all solving graph. They're saying graph question and all not at all there like that. Some 10th standard students are saying kindly don't underestimate, spend time for graph. My 33rd la the answer root 1156 that is 34 centimeter pa. Then you just see this 34th a speed 864 kilometer per hour. 35 children. X is 9 and Y is 15. Pa. Then less than below, that is very much important. Go through. Mean value is 51.3 years. Then 36 ma. 5749.33. Standard given, volume given, TSA volume. 37 AP. A10 152, A25 272, S25 4400 and end la answer 168. Then 38th. So distance answer 3 root 2 and coordinates and distance between Nidhi house and Shika's house. So go through children, kindly forward this to 10th standard friends. It will be useful for them. Any other sum you need now, inform. Any detailed solution for any sum, kindly inform in comment box. Thank you.